In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template for the HubSpot CMS. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to craft new templates that fit your needs. So let's dive right in. To start, first, navigate to the marketing email section of your HubSpot account. You can do this by logging into your HubSpot account and clicking on the Marketing tab, then selecting the Emails option. Once you're here, this is where all your email marketing efforts are centralized, making it crucial for managing and crafting effective campaigns. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in Template. This will help you quickly locate the section dedicated to templates, making it a bit easier for you to manage different aspects of your email marketing strategy. The search bar is your friend here, helping to sift through the myriad of options available, so use it whenever you're in a pinch. Once you see the template option pop up, go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Templates dashboard. This is essentially your workspace, where new templates are crafted or existing ones are managed. It's a creative space designed to facilitate your email marketing goals, providing various tools at your disposal. Now, we're going to create a new template from scratch, so find and click on the New Template button. This button is generally situated on the top right corner of the Templates dashboard. This step is crucial. It signifies the start of a new creation process, giving you a blank canvas to work with. When the new window opens, select the option that says From Scratch. This choice is ideal when you want full control over the layout and content of your template, providing a blank slate to put your ideas into action. Customizing from scratch ensures that the template is uniquely tailored to your specifications, rather than relying on pre-made options. With the new template open, you'll notice fields for name and subject. First, click on the Name field and provide a suitable name for your template. This should be something descriptive enough to easily identify it later, especially as you accumulate more templates over time. Next, move on to the Subject field. Click on it and enter a subject line that correlates with the purpose of your email. Remember, this is what your audience will see first, so it's essential to make it engaging and relevant to capture attention and prompt them to open the email. Finally, once everything is laid out to your satisfaction, locate the Save Template button. Give it a click to save your work. This step is critical to ensure that your new template is stored and accessible for future campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully created a template in HubSpot. Remember, each step builds towards the final product, so take your time tailoring each element to meet your specific marketing needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing!